So stroke, I would call it's a brain attack. It can be a hemorrhagic stroke, it can be a ischemic stroke. Now, most of us are not aware about how the brain stroke happens and how it is, what are the signs. So as we said कि paralysis, लकवा मार जाता है एक हाथ का. What's most important, आप अगर पेशेंट को देख रहे हो, बातचीत कर रहे हैं, खा रहे हो, खाते खाते हाथ गिर गया ऐसे, तो you are a caregiver, you are a relative, you have to understand this can be a stroke.
So there is one of my favorite topics that I always like to discuss because it is so important. आपको कोई अगर हार्ट अटैक के बारे में बताएगा या बोल रहा है तो कितना आपको इंटरेस्ट रहता है. हार्ट अटैक इज समथिंग दैट एवरीबॉडी नोज. इट्स बिकॉज डॉक्टर्स, द मीडिया, गवर्नमेंट, एवरीथिंग, everybody work towards awareness in heart, but there is one equally important topic that is always being under the carpet. Maybe we are not discussing more about it, especially in today's generation where a lot of elderly population is growing. We all have our parents, grandparents in our houses who might get this disease. It's called stroke or paralysis हम आमतौर से बोलते हैं. It is a very important disease and we all need to know about it so that we can save our elderly people, persons, our family members. So let's discuss and dive into this symptoms of stroke so that we can recognize it early and get a proper treatment so that this disabling problem, stroke, can be treated in time and prevent a lot of disabilities inside our homes.
I would try to add this term brain attack.
Yeah, brain attack.
So like we discuss about heart attack, then this is a brain attack.
Brain attack.
So as the heart is a major organ, the brain is also a major organ, and any attack to the brain is a brain attack. So stroke, I would call it's a brain attack. It can be a hemorrhagic stroke, it can be a ischemic stroke, but we can call it a brain attack. So क्या होता है, and most important discussion we need is we treat strokes, but it's not important how you treat stroke. It is important कि when you understand as a family member, a caregiver or a relative when it is stroke, so that you will take the patient to the hospital immediately and the treatment should be started immediately. Like in heart attack we discussed, there's a golden period. If the patient comes to the hospital in 6 hours of time, then definitely now the time is also reduced. Now people are so aware about the cardiac issues and heart attack. People can say there is a pain in the chest and radiation to the left side of the, everybody knows. Now most of us are not aware about how the brain stroke happens and how it is, what are the signs. So as we said कि paralysis, लकवा मार जाता है एक हाथ का. Most important, आप अगर पेशेंट को देख रहे हो, बातचीत कर रहे हैं, खा रहे हो, खाते खाते हाथ गिर गया ऐसे, तो you are a caregiver, you are a relative, you have to understand this can be a stroke. Immediately something happening. So how to understand a stroke? There is a, so as we say, stroke is you have to take the patient to the hospital immediately. So be fast. You should be fast. So be fast itself shows what are the symptoms of the stroke. B is for balance. Suppose one person is eating and then he gets up and not able to walk properly, imbalance. Suddenly. And stroke happens suddenly only, like heart attack. So brain attack happens suddenly. You are not able to walk. You are losing balance. That can be a sign of stroke. Then you have eye deviation. Suddenly one eye is deviated to one side. You started seeing double vision. You are not able to see properly. That is also a sign of stroke, because if you have a posterior circulation stroke or occipital stroke, the patient will lose immediate blindness will be there. Then you have face. Be fast for face. Face is if you have facial deviation, very common. Oh, एक side का face खाना खा रहे थे, खाना गिरने लगा. So this is very common. Face. Then arm, one हाथ weak हो गया, limb weak हो गया. Then speech, slurring of the speech हो गया. बात कर रहे थे हम comprehend कर रहे हैं अच्छे, then started speaking something as if he is putting something in the mouth. That we call as hot potato voice or something. You start to have as if you have a hot potato in the voice and talking about this. So this is the actual thing which patient understand and sees. So all this, if you see all these symptoms, balance, imbalance, for weakness, slurring of speech, all these are signs of stroke, then you should take, this is time to, T for time, you should take the patient to the immediate tertiary stroke care center.
Yeah.
So otherwise, what the patient do, as we are discussing with the head injury also, people will roam around to small hospital. They will go there and there is no CT facility available. They will give some saline, some pantoprazole, बोलेंगे gas हो गया है. So then you start giving injections. Then the patient will not recover. Then they will understand that something has happened. They will go second to second hospital, tier hospital. Then from there they will be referred, and this time they will lose 4, 5 hours, 7 hours, 10 hours. The golden period for the stroke is over. Then the chances of having a survival is definitely less. So if you understand any of your relative is having all these symptoms, be fast. Then you have to be reached to the hospital immediately, or especially a tertiary stroke care hospital, so that we can intervene in time. There are a lot of options, lot of modern treatments available now. Like suppose you have a big bleed, you can remove the bleed endoscopically. If you have a small bleed, you can at least keep the patient under observation with medical management, where you can cure a patient. If you have a stroke, which is no ischemic stroke, then you can do thrombolysis, you can do interventions which can save a lot of lives. So if you see any of the relative having all these symptoms, immediately reach to a tertiary stroke care hospital. I repeat, tertiary stroke care hospital, stroke care center, immediately, without wasting time at small hospital where the time is lost. It's a time. If you reach in time, you can live a life. If you reach in time and to save your life, that's it.
So to summarize, किसी को अभी घर में ये माउथ डेविएशन हो रहा है, आर्म वीकनेस हो गया है और स्लरिंग ऑफ स्पीच है, बैलेंस में प्रॉब्लम है और ये सडनली हुआ है, पहले नहीं था, इमीडिएटली अभी ये हुआ है, सुबह जागते जागते ये प्रॉब्लम दिख गया है, तो इट कुड बी अ स्ट्रोक. जैसे ब्रेन हार्ट अटैक है, स्ट्रोक इज ऑल्सो द सिमिलरली डेंजरस. एंड द गुड थिंग इज most of the symptoms can be reverted if the treatment is timely done. 3 hours is the golden hour. Treatment can be taken up to 8 hours. So if anybody is suffering from these problems, we also know the symptoms and repeat this: be fast,